Hey, welcome back everybody. It's JP with Max Tr3 Revival. Just give you a little update on what's been going on. Everything's good. You've been watching my videos. You saw the last one where we're getting the car and the frame and everything back on. So it was challenging but fun. So I got everything kind of moved over, and now I'm trying to save a little space. So I'm gonna actually disassemble the sawhorses and kind of stick them to the side. I've been updating some of the parts and paperwork that I've got, so doing that. I'm starting to sort through some of these and see if I can locate what some of these parts were when they were taken off. The shop that did the work did a great job of like putting things together and kind of, you know, getting them back to me, but it really wasn't clear on some of it what it went to or where it was located at. So I've been kind of looking through the bins and finding out in the books where they go so I can label them, so when I get to the point where I'm putting them back on, I'll know. And then I've got a lot of duplicates. I'm pretty sure I've said that before. So gonna try and work on that a little bit. And my time, unfortunately, is gonna be limited for the next few weeks because I have an athlete in the house who is a rower. And we have entered into rowing season. That will cut a little bit into my time of being able to work on the car right now. But got to support him and help him with, you know, doing his thing too. All right, so we're gonna jump in. I've got a few things crossed off the list and then show you the one thing that I actually worked on. Thanks again for following along with the channel. Here we go. All right. So what we have going on is I have cleaned up the center steering link. So that was one of the things I wanted to get done. Got a little rust conversion going on right now with it. Using a little bit of Metal Rescue. So I can probably take some of the things off of this list right here and start me up another one. So everything out here looks good. I like this view right here, freshly done up front end that recently got rebuilt. So looking pretty good under there. I got some of the usual rust spots I need to take care of. There's one down here on the mounting plate right there. You can see where it bubbled up right there. Same thing on this side. I watched Mike make his, but I'm not quite that adventurous, so I think I'm gonna order a couple pieces for that. The trans cover, it's got a few spots on it. You see right down here. I think I'll try and work on that. Get a couple pieces done there. Maybe get this in a primer after I do those repairs. Yeah. Got a couple things on the list, and I want to get that painted after I do the rust conversion. So got it hanging right here. I finished the rust conversion. I'm fairly happy with it, but it's a steering piece, so that'll be fun. I'm waiting for it to dry and then heat up a little bit, and then we'll throw some paint on it. And there we go with the best looking steering link ever. Anyway, got a couple coats on it. I think it came out pretty good. So gonna wait a couple days and let it cure. The next is trying to get this kit in. So I got the old bushes pressed out. And this is the kit I gotta get in and the way that you have to do it so I can hook that up eventually. I've also got right over here in this corner in that box, which you can barely see, that is the steering, the whole pivot and worm gear and all of that assembly is in that box. So I'm gonna try and take a look at that and see if it moves freely, if I need to just refill it. I know there wasn't that many miles on the car. I wanna take a look and see if it's good to go or if I can take it apart and do anything with it or not. Slow progress, but progress. And I will update that. So that's where I'm at. So here's the piece that I had painted up. I think it came out pretty good. You see all the numbers and everything on it. I'm backing this up, I'm putting it together. I'll put it in a bin and have it so I'll know where it's located. I got to get that in the system. So I have a box labeled, much like these are. And like I said, I'm going through this again. So bin 4, bin 3, bin 2, you know, just what they are, where the parts are. Makes me easy to locate when I get to the point where I'm putting things back together. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, there we go.